Oh shit. Here we go again.
Whoa, whoa, buddy.
Bro had too much to focus on.
Alright.
You have an espresso?
We're like
Fucking high in the smoke.
Nice try.
Get him one. Knife his ass. You dinked him.
Punch forward.
Fucking sandbag.
Knife him. Yeah. Amazing.
Round one. Fight. Fatality.
Oh, thanks, William. Carry it through. Carry it through. Goodbye.
You got him?
Oh, he's on site.
What? The 81 on default.
Oh
What?
no, dude. It's like right below you.
Oh my god.
One more. Just drop back. You got him. You won the engagement. Drop the sight.
Wow. You just...
When will it ever be enough? 1 kills, 2 kills.
It's not that long.
Yeah.
Alright, the last one bathrooms, I think.
You could let it go. What are you doing, William? Watch the gamer. Never mind.
Long.
What?
it's probably
Bro, are you fucking kidding? Now that Jake's turned into a utility user, I'm gonna start counting team flashes.
Bro, Jake flashed me. Full flashed me.
Pop flashing, pop flashing.
Pop flashing what? They're not pushing.
I don't know. Let's 60 and checkers.
Me. What is it? Why are you holding that? Get a free pick and
Broke one.
That's truck.
Lost
I
track.
got a banger.
I can't. Just pushing out a little bit.
That's a fucking stick banger.
Oh,
Holy
boy, dude.
moly! I watched it go to the
I like
heavens.
How does that not flash you, dude? What the
It's
fuck?
fucking 10 feet below him.
I take this one for you, my friend. Can I tell you?
Damn, dude, just one of them and he died. Figured the whole cavalry was coming.
Oh, that timing.
Unknown last? Alright, I got him.
What? Yo, what you guys doing on that roof?
Dude, I'm lining something up. Give me a sec.
Oh, okay. Wait, is it gonna hit next fucking round?
All the way around town.
Oh, he threw it. Oh, Molly. Oh, okay, that's good. Ow. Oh my god, all my health.
That was the quickest round of CS ever.
Flashing to Optimus. I flashed myself. Oh, sorry.
I got this one, boys.
Round two. Fight.
No one run in front.
Fatality. Flawless.
Damn it. I thought I had one left in me.
Pop flashing.
That's
Pop
cold.
flashing.
You have to call what you're flashing. Middle sight, Mons? I don't fucking know.
Pop everywhere.
That's not how flashes work. What team flash we throw in this round? Ah, that guy fucking sprayed me for 90 through the smoke. Nice.
Don't have money. Josh, can you drop him? What?
the name
Flashing.
comes from.
Good fucking flash.
Dude, that's the only flash I know. Just expect it.
You can't.
every
What?
time we go in.
You can't just say flashing.
There's a guy in fucking bathrooms. Looking up.
What am I supposed to just look at the ground?
Yeah.
Just look at the ground all the time.
Like,
Nice shot, bro.
He's at a loss for words. You fucking stun locked him.
I've been flashed almost every fucking round.
It's not adding to my score, dude. I'm pissed.
I'm gonna fucking
You're only
keep kill
flashing
you.
Josh.
Guys,
God, I'm fucking full blind. Every dog shit flash you throw. Oh my god, I whiffed so
Behind you
hard.
guys. Watch out behind you. Watch out behind you.
you see that?
Flashing.
Team flash from Jake. Team flash from Jake.
Got
I'm
him.
gonna cry.
He's just lost. He's so lost.
Cartwheel, cartwheel.
Double axle.
I almost spit my water out. I almost spit
Homie's body
my
was
fucking water out.
right there.
Our boiler area, sorry.
Yep.
Nice.
And the guy finally.
What?
You mean what?
I heard that.
Yeah. What? That was that not his head?
Oh, did you trip on something?
Church. You heard him go coughing.
He's just gonna play time. He should.
I don't know. He's
Oh my
kind of
God.
retarded. You have a kid. You're nice.
Fucking dumb.
You got it, my brother in Christ.
Good
Let's
shit,
go.
dude.
Good shit, William.
Oh, let's go.
Good shit.
Oh boy.
Wait, pick up the fucking guns.
Still another round.
Like,
What are you doing?
You don't have money for that. Alright, G, let's see it.
Ooh, the geometry of it. Oh,
Just
I'm
like an
blind.
underhand with extra steps.
Yeah.
Yeah, they see the flash coming the entire way out the door. They see it bounce off the wall.
And why did they teach me it that way?
They're just
You were
dog
taught
shit.
wrong.
They're dog shit cliches, or not cliche. Fucking what's the word? Gimmicky flashes.
MFR thinks Flash bounces off the wall and it's sick.
Stop bullying
Let's
me.
go B.
Right when I fucking pull out my smack, he peeks. Get fucked.
I got you, piece.
The animal's fighting back. Make him listen.
Good.
I'm flashing heaven,
Right,
right?
you're
Don't
doxing
peek. Oh, yeah?
Oh, sorry.
Go down to B, go down to B.
anyone there?
He was like, "Oh shit!"
That was,
Oh no!
was
You
kidding.
fucking don't listen to Jake. What the fuck are you doing? We never listen to Jake. Get the fuck back here.
I thought
No,
it
go
was
B,
good.
go B, go B.
Well, by now you should probably go B.
Go B,
Yeah,
go B,
well
go
maybe
B.
now we go B. Yeah, go B, go B, go B. We're fucking taking B. Take B, take B, take B.
No, go connector to A.
Shut up.
You're right.
You got
Stop
time.
peeking.
Yeah. No.
You good, Jake?
I'm just making sure my mouse feels good, you know? Make sure the cord is...
Bro, you're
Dialed in.
overthinking it.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm. Once you let go of all these micro
I
adjustments,
can't.
you'll be
it's-
free.
I can't, dude. I'm OCD, dude. There's a chrome on my mouse pad and I feel it while I'm aiming. It's over.
Yeah, you
Well,
just
me
brush
too.
it aside. You
It's
know,
pretty
that's-
normal.
Dude. I literally stopped playing to wipe it off.
Me too. Me too.
And if I'm moving my mouse and I feel the cord pulling a certain way, I'm like, nope. I'm gonna miss.
It's all in your head.
It's not, though.
Gotta smoke
Anyone
a
know
blunt.
any pop flashes?
I know a couple. I don't know any util on this map, bro. It's straight run and gun.
Why he buy you till then?
Jake, you don't need to know a niche weird setup to throw a grenade. Just
You don't want to hurt
look.
my feelings like that.
It's gonna be one of these games. Whoa! What this guy's fucking PowerPoint presentation. Oh!
What's he doing there?
Okay.
Yeah, you're just clicking heads, dude.
I don't know why they're all running at me like that. And then they don't respect me?
Let's check.
You saw William Fork. You saw
What?
him twice, bro.
I did not see him. He flooded into the background.
What?
Drop stuff.
Got him!
That was foul.
Hey, I got
Got
that
him!
was a
That's
jab.
for all the team flashes, motherfucker.
Like Z.
You fucking chill out over there, huh? These turbo fucks. Where? Close?
Right below you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just crawled up.
Squeaky.
Squeaky.
Nice. 40 minutes down.
That's
I mean, just do a simple A take.
Need to do.
Yeah.
The fucking yeah, we're just complicating it.
Yeah, dude, let's do it.
I don't like your tones. Hmm?
oh no.
Couple thousand.
2 truck.
Nice,
should be
William.
truck, I think.
Big.
Whole
He's
time.
dinked like 2 fucking box.
There's an op, toxic.
Simple A take, boys.
Simple A take, you're right. You're right,
Don't
Jake.
overcomplicate it.
Yeah, Jake.
Nice, dude. Jake threw the smoke right in time.
Did it land though?
No, you missed.
No, I see no smokes.
I can't remember it.
The entire round's over. Everyone's fighting, and Jake's lining up a smoke for fucking 30 seconds.
Dude,
God damn,
let a
Jake.
man live his dream.
Josh is moving his mouse around in game. He's talking like an Italian American.
I didn't know we were a bunch of pussies. We need AKs.
And Meffer who sits back, throwing nades all around, talking about being a
Hey, we'll just
pussy.
push the group.
That's too accurate.
Hey, you want the defuse?
Here. It's a trap.
No, it's not.
What is that? What's in your hand?
Use the
It's
fucking
a
bomb!
flashbang.
I'm playing the game.
I hate that A1S, bro.
Bro, that wasn't the A1S.
Come on, Jake. You gotta be adaptable.
This motherfucker is 1 degree off, and he shits and pisses himself.
Hey, my friend knows a pop flash for Monster here.
I do.
That's cool, dude.
It's crazy.
Thanks, man. Thanks. I've been practicing. Don't get flashed. Don't get flashed. Get out of my way. Oh my fucking god.
That was a great pop flash.
That was the most perfect timing. I was just running all the way out. You're like flashing, pop, and it pops instantly in my face. Where do you think they're going? A or B?
They're gonna go,
go B.
A.
Oh,
Well, one of you's right.
who do I
Who's
believe?
it gonna be?
They're gonna go B.
Wanna put a wager down on that, William?
Gambling man, I see.
And In-N-Out Burger. In-N-Out Burger right here.
In-N-Out Burger, they go A.
Alright. Well, I
Wait.
said they were going A.
Double?
You said
I said
B.
it. No, I
Roll
did
it
not.
back.
No,
Oh,
William said William said A. You said B.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes,
Yep.
you
Alright,
did.
fine. They're
Yes,
going
you
B.
did.
They're going B. Hey, I want you to.
Alright, a
watch
double
this
with
video
cheese.
Over and over
Alright,
again.
double
with
cheese.
cheese.
If they go A, you owe me double with cheese.
Oh, they're going B, baby.
No, I'm gonna push him back. I'm gonna push him to go back up. I'm gonna
yeah?
push him to go back
Oh,
up.
yeah?
It's AJ.
Oh, even he said they're gonna play it there. He knows. That's a burger, baby. That's a burger.
Hey, run back that clip, dude. Let me hear it again. The original, dude. When there were 35 seconds on the fucking timeout left.
What?
You're gonna tell me timeout? What?
No, I'm not talking about that. What did you just type?
What's going on? What's going on, Poppy?
This is a fucking connection. I shot him twice. No blood popped up, and then it all popped up.
Maybe close left corner.
Yo, it's his barrel. You see him? He's behind the vent.
Or is it? What an idiot.
What are you shooting? Bro, he's never been.
You just got a peek off that, dude.
Hey, throw it again, Jake.
Chick, this was a fucking
Yeah, I'll
puck.
do it again.
Jake, throw it again. Hey, yeah, line up, go back. Let me know when.
Flashing, party, flashing.
I have a kit.
Lead the way, William. I'm trading you.
Ooh, nice timing.
Hey, Jake,
Nice
throw
to meet
your
you.
pop flash. Jake.
Got you.
Oh no.
He's got it.
I'm looking at the ground, bro.
No faith, dude. It scared my
I've
nuts.
been
Yeah, zero
blind
faith.
so
I do
many
From
times.
experience.
Oh
I'm
god damn.
blind. Was that your flash?
Hey, well, he's blind.
Just kidding.
Nice kill, William. Nice kill, Josh.
That was
man.
something else.
It's
Mhm.
open.
We have a. Oh, cat.
Nice shit.
No, you did
That's
it.
all of them.
That's all of them.
Dude, I was wired in.
Nice, Jake.
Oh, I know pop flash down here.
We're getting mowed down by a
Hey, my
mosquito.
friend has a
flash?
pop flash for connector. Let him do it.
The Stewie flash? You better throw that Stewie flash.
I'm convinced he doesn't know it and you're just putting him on the spot.
Oh, that guy.
They're already out, Jake!
I'm practicing, bro. Relax.
Oh my God,
Sky bomb.
wasting money.
I'm up.
I'm nice.
Jake,
What?
so you don't want to talk about what just happened? Okay.
Oh!
What?
Did you want to talk about that one, Jake?
Oh, I thought I got him on the first spray.
Multiple there. Fork clip? You might have one fork.
Well, why would you lie to me?
Thought they were.
I got two to the smoke. Nice.
Damn. Oh my. Stop looking at me, bro.
Nice.
Nice.
Good
You have a kit.
job.
Nice.
Job. What
You
a
picked
clutch.
it up! Let's go!
Right,
Or
we needed it.
her.
I feel like this timeout has been going on for 5 minutes.
You have an M4! You have an M4!
I did not hit M4. I walked over it later in life, dude.
Later in life, 10 seconds ago.
Oops, what the fuck?
Here, Josh, a parting gift.
Beatty.
Op head.
Let's go B. I'm gonna smoke B main, take control of checkers, and then I'm gonna molly left side sight, and I'm gonna smoke. Oh wait, no, I don't want to.
I'll toss you my smoke. I'll toss you my smoke so you can do the other one. Oh, nice.
Wait, you guys, what the fuck?
Okay, so you got your smoke
Fuck
down.
off heaven.
What's next? What's next?
I'd be sniped.
Mollying left side sight.
Jake, they are on site.
Okay.
I need help, bro.
They have bomb, guys. Oh, damn, William.
Wait, I didn't kill that guy? 87 on the guy water. Nice, William.
Why are you looking at me? What? Don't block me, Jake. Don't flash me, Jake. Don't do anything to me, Jake.
Go back up.
Oh Jesus.
Make a little more noise and they might be confused. His bottom fragger. I will fuck their mouth.
Good job.
Nice. Holy fuck.
I'm not even gonna lie, these guys are just straight up better.
No, dude, we got flashes.
The enemy team has a way easier time when your whole team is getting fucking team flashed, bro.
Bro, these flashes are gonna get us right to Gold Nova. What?
Oh my god.
It's still a threat. It's still hanging up. Jake got team rank.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Did game not count my flashes? What happened?
but they take into account team flashes. Every team flash is minus one elo.
Shit. Hut. Everyone hut now.
Jake, that shit does not work.
Works for me. Oh.